Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to get AT&T eSIM QR code. So in order to do it, you need to first of all access the AT&T eSIM activation portal. So you can come on this page, that is att.com, and over here on this page you just have to scroll down a bit and click on this option that says get plan and eSIM kit. Now once you do this, you will be landed on this type of page where you will have to select an AT&T plan, and you need to simply click on the shop now option. Then you need to simply purchase it and complete your purchase. So as soon as you do this, you will receive a QR code through email or on the activation page. So you need to visit eSIM carrier store and choose a cellular plan. After that, you need to generate the eSIM code, and then you can scan the QR code with your device to activate your eSIM. So this is how you can basically get AT&T eSIM QR code. If you find any of the problems regarding it, you can come on att.com and click on this support option, and after clicking on support, you just have to simply scroll down a bit and you can select the call option, and you can directly call them and you can ask for further assistance. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.